guys, welcome back to my vegan channel. It is Veganuary day 27 and we want pizza. It's like, oh my god, I went vegan. What have I done? Now I can't eat my pizza. Yes, you can. You can eat it, and you could eat it deliciously. I have never had a healthy pizza that tasted good, so this one isn't either. This isn't healthy. Let's get this straight. Pizza, to be done right, it's got to be a little bad. So this is got to be not that good for you. But you only eat it once a week, right? A couple slices. So I don't like to reinvent the wheel. I'm a very busy person. So I buy my pizza dough at the supermarket. This is frozen. I bought it this afternoon. I let it sit out knowing that I was making pizza tonight. In case you're interested, it's Papa Sal's. I don't know how available this is where, you know, in the world, but it's available for me, and this is what I buy. So I take a little flour. I do mine on parchment paper because I slide it onto a pizza stone. Put my flour on there. I'm going to be making 3. That's why I've already cut out 3 pieces of parchment paper. You get your dough out, and this is the perfect temperature and consistency right now. It's a little bit sticky, which is why we have the flour there. So we want to get that so that it's not sticky. So we just get the flour on there, and what we're doing right now is stretching it gently, because this is like a rubber band. It's full of gluten. You don't want to do it too much all at once because it's just going to snap back or tear. So we're going to try and get this as close as possible to the size of the pizza pan, and just stretch it out a little bit. I tell everybody my secret of let the weight of the dough do the work for you. Don't pull it, just let the weight pull it for you. You're going to want to go a little bit bigger than the size that you want, because when you're done stretching it, it's going to snap back a little bit, and you don't want to get upset when it shrinks. So we're going to check it. That's pretty good. You're going to leave a little bit of thickness around the edge so that that's your handle when you eat your pizza. Alright, so that's pretty good. We're going to let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it can come up fully to room temperature and start to rise a little bit, and then we're going to put the toppings on. Alright, now we're ready to top it. And again, with the sauce, I don't like to reinvent the wheel. I am not Italian. I didn't have an Italian nonna telling me how to make pasta sauce or pizza sauce, so I buy the best sauce that I can afford, and this is it. It's got no added sugar, and it uses extra virgin olive oil. You could see it's nice and oily. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Alright, so I like a lot of sauce on my pizza because I don't like it dry, and especially when you use not dairy cheese, there's no, that oil is not like coming out and like saturating the whole thing, so it's going to be a little drier, so you want more sauce. So I've got my sauce there, and we went to a pizzeria and we had garlic on our pizza, and we absolutely fell in love with it. So I'm going to use some fresh garlic in the sauce. So I'm going to press that right into the well of sauce. Oh yeah. Right? Beautiful. Whoa, that's just more than anyone could ever hope for. Alright, so we're just going to spread this out. Remember, leave your handle for holding. Handles are for holding. I like to put my toppings on next, you know, not the cheese, because I like the cheese to be the top layer to like lock everything in. So we've got some Gardein meatless meatloaf. This is one of our favorite toppings. Also, we like to use eggplant as well. Makes a great topping because the creaminess of the eggplant really helps to add to the whole cheesiness of it without it actually being cheese. But this is a nice like savory meatball-y type thing. We like a lot because this is all we eat with some veggies, so it's kind of like a pizza sandwich. So that's that. Now for the cheese. If you don't have this beautiful cheese, we have a little secret. If you mix in a teaspoon of liquid smoke in with your pizza sauce and the garlic, it tastes like the cheese is smoked. But this is the best piece of cheese that we've ever gotten. It's the Dea smoked Gouda. It is the perfect complement of like Parmesan and mozzarella. It's like somewhere in between Parmesan and mozzarella. And it is totally delicious. You could actually eat this like right with a cracker. Some vegan cheeses not so much, but Dea has formulated this cheese to be amazing. So I've grated some over here. And you don't want to go too heavy because there's a lot of oil in this cheese, and let's just leave it at, you're going to have some bathroom issues if you eat too much of this. So it's best to go on the lighter side. Can't have an authentic pizzeria style pizza without a liberal shaking of oregano on top. You can never have enough oregano until I've said, oh, that's enough. Now we're going to cook this in my amazing toaster on a pizza stone. You could do that in the oven too on a pizza stone, but a few things you want to consider. You've got to get that pizza stone red freaking hot, the right temperature. So that has been heating up to 450. It's on the pizza setting, which does something with the elements, I don't know. But in the regular oven, get it as hot as possible, even if that's like 500 or above, and use your pizza stone. Trust me, it will come out amazing. So I have this on a pan, but I'm going to use it like a peel, and I'm just going to shove it on top of the pizza stone, because when this coldish pizza hits the pizza stone, it's going to say, whoa, that's super hot, and it's going to puff up, and it's going to be amazing. So
you forgot the cheese.
So this is not going to take very long at all. It's going to take maybe 10 minutes tops because it is so hot in there. And trust me, you'll see. So we're just going to slide it in, center it. Bye. See you in 10 minutes. All right, it was in for 10 minutes, and here it is in all of its glory. Beautiful crust on it. The cheese is melted. It's perfect. It's pizza perfection. So now we're just gonna cut it up.
Sean just looked at me like, what?
Yeah. All right. I won't do the whole thing right now, but we'll have Maddie give it a shot. Right? Whoa.
Okay, ready? This is so beautiful. I just want to like stare at it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. God, I love pizza.
Right?
It's
How's
so
the
good.
how's the garlic working for you?
The garlic takes it to the next level.
Yeah.
Like, pizza was always amazing, but after we started adding the garlic to it,
Yeah, the fresh garlic. Even garlic
So
powder is better than nothing, but fresh garlic, whole nother level. All right.
recipe.
So you still can do pizza and be vegan.
Yes, you can.
So I hope you guys give it a shot. She's like gonna devour this in like the minute I turn my back. That is day 27, and we've only got a few days left. Make sure you subscribe for more. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know what you thought in the comments. And until next time, much love.